Yeah, and he strapped me to
handcuffs? What? Who strapped you to the chair?
my brother, like with one hand. Strapped me to
That's kind of kinky.
I was playing my Xbox and then.
Whoa! So you were playing when he was in the room and he was kinky with you?
No,
Yes.
not exactly.
Yes.
And I got the wrong end of the stick.
He strapped you up with pink dildo handcuffs to a chair.
Furry.
What kind of handcuffs would they be? Made out of dildos.
That was it. I was sitting playing my Xbox. Yeah, I was sitting playing my Xbox and then it came through these pink furry handcuffs and then strapped me to the chair. When I was like that.
Why does your 19-year-old brother have pink fluffy handcuffs?
His girlfriend left him there.
You sure it wasn't your mum? I mean, they had a past experience with
I'm pretty sure here.
sexual things like that.
Pretty
Oh,
sure.
that's horrible.
Yeah, I
Okay.
didn't notice that.
What's with the cage?
It's a garden thing.
Well, that's a pretty bad garden centre.
Yeah, I thought it was for like all the
Pretty
slots and that.
There's even in it. It's concrete.
It's a mini prison, of course. What else would you call one of them?
Hi.
Hey!
You're not recording this.
No.
This is Jake.
What? No.
The stuff of chocolate.
Did you hear what Luce just said there?
Hi.
What? You have £90. What?
Jesus.
I've spent £30 and I should have put in I had 90.
What'd
I've
you
just got
spend
£30 of nothing.
What?
I've got £30 for free. I drew it out and I spent a glitch or something.
I got it with money. It's like impossible.
Yeah.
Either that or it hasn't been taken off yet. You know, that can sometimes happen.
Sorry, 10 notes not available. Are you serious?
It's like you're never dead.
Are there? 999. You can't take £10. Should you not just read it?
What's the jar at 20? It's okay.
This is Chart. This is not Atmos.
This is just the epic player.
Oh, it wouldn't give me 10 notes. Oh, I didn't have
I
it.
just said that. Epic meal time.
Yeah, there's a reason. No, that's epic meal time.
What do you mean that's epic meal time?
It's so far.
What? What do you mean the guy at epic meal time?
No, he is epic
Even
meal
though I
time.
wear the heavy.
Oh! Say hello to the camera. What are we doing?
We're playing UFC.
Oh, we're playing UFC?
Bad at it.
I am really bad at it. This is vlog part 2.
Oh, what the hell is it?
We're in Truart's house. His postcode's
Right, that's getting censored. Atmos.
really quiet now.
Atmos.
He's upstairs
Atmos.
It is.
with our answer.
How are you, my Valentine's?
And some of his babies. The cakes.
Here's my Valentine's.
Jake's mum thinks Ann Summers is a cake factory.
Where are you going, Squint?
I don't know, I can't see the right eye. The left. My left. You're right.
That.
No.
Can't see that.
No.
No, in real life. Not
No, not in real life. I can't see it. No. No, I just gotta chill. I just gotta chill.
What was it?
You won again. Jesus.
What was it?
Yeah,
Great.
it's great. I'm cheating.
No, I can't see.
No, that's just because my guy's nipples are blacker than yours.
But
Come on.
Wow. That's getting quoted.
Blacker nipples.
can't see him.
Blackness. Blackness.
bigger nostrils.
Nah, because missed his dick. I'm on a Jake. I'm on it art. It's me being on art.
Jake still lives with his parents at the age of 40 now.
Minus 25.
Minus 55.
30.
What's your 10?
No.
Truart is actually 10. There we go, there's a quote.
What the hell?
No, I punch you so much and you don't go down. And then you hit me once and I go down.
When in again.
Okay, it's my turn again.
No, this is just not logical.
Okay, I'm just gonna stop recording here.
Hey, watch.
So, I'm just kinda
Aye.
like, I'm gonna zoom out. How do you zoom out?
Here's the man's foot.
There we go. Yeah, we've just kinda like covered Jake and
Okay,
stuff.
Right, let's get a good camera angle.
Okay, so yeah, like boy French thing on top of him.
You ever feel that? Okay, right. Okay, right, don't do that.
Why?
Does that hurt you?
Ow.
Go hammer.
How can that hurt?
Do hammer fist on.
Who's hammer fist? Do you not feel that?
No.